Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make delicious Polish sauerkraut right in your own kitchen. Sauerkraut, or kiszona kapusty in Polish, is a traditional fermented cabbage dish that's not only tasty, but also packed with beneficial probiotics. It's a simple process that requires just a few basic ingredients and a little patience. We'll go through each step, from selecting your cabbage to enjoying your homemade batch. Let's get started. The first step is preparing your cabbage. Choose firm, fresh green cabbage heads, ideally weighing about 5 pounds each. Carefully remove any bruised or loose outer leaves, then core the cabbage. Next, shred the cabbage finely. A mandolin or food processor works wonderfully for consistent, thin pieces. This fine shredding is key for proper fermentation and a great texture in your finished sauerkraut. Now for the crucial salting and packing stage. For every 5 pounds of shredded cabbage, you'll want to use about 3 tablespoons of non-iodized salt. Thoroughly massage the salt into the cabbage for approximately 10 minutes until it releases its own natural brine. Then, pack the cabbage very tightly into a clean fermentation crock or jar, ensuring that all the cabbage remains fully submerged under its own liquid. This creates the perfect environment for fermentation. Finally, let's talk about fermentation and storage. Allow your cabbage to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 6 weeks. Always use a weight to keep the cabbage submerged under the brine. This prevents spoilage. Once it reaches your desired tanginess, your delicious homemade sauerkraut can be stored in the refrigerator for several months, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.